In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Hakari in Costa Rica. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Kenji Hakari, known as Lucky Fighter, is the 10th character to be added in Costa Rica. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can unlock him, and I'm gonna be talking about his moveset. So, for you to actually unlock Hakari, what you have to do is actually kill a boss. So basically, whenever you kill any boss on any server, even a private server, there is going to be roughly a 12% chance that you acquire the character, and you have to be on the top damage dealers. So to answer the question in the title of this video, for you to get Hakari, you need to participate in killing a boss, and primarily you need to be one of the top damage dealers. Then you will have a chance of getting Hakari. Once you get him, he is going to become available as a standard character, and you will be able to find him here. You will notice that on my account, I don't have Hakari, so I won't be able to showcase them. I apologize, but basically, this is all you have to do. This menu that I'm showing you now allows you to buy summon tickets. So as you can see, you can summon the strongest boss, special curse, or sorcerer hunter. And after killing them, like I mentioned, you will have a chance of spawning as Lucky Fighter. And the moveset is going to involve a lot of gambling attacks. So you will be able to get and use him on private and public servers. But like I said, what you have to do to actually unlock him is to kill a boss, and you will have a chance of getting Hakari in Cursed Arena. After you get him, he is always going to become available here under Lucky Fighter, and you will be able to play as him and do all of his combos. I apologize for not being able to display him on screen, show the moveset, and so on, but regardless, all that you have to do is kill a boss and you will have a chance of acquiring Hakari. So, kill any boss, the strongest boss, special card, sorcerer hunter on any private or public server, and you will have a chance of getting him. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Hakari in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.